As the tetrahedron is resting on its base on HP, as the axis is a perpendicular to HP, so at first we have to draw its top view, in which we have to show a equilateral triangle having base sides of a 40 millimeter. Let's complete this equilateral triangle having three sides of equal dimensions of a 40 millimeter length. Now to locate the center point, mark the corner A, B, C. To locate the axis, draw a vertical line passing through center point with reference of a top view. Now to draw front view, take 40 mm distance in compass and draw this line which will cut the axis. Initially draw this front view very faint because we have to show the section plane in front view. As per the problem condition, true shape appears as an isosceles triangle having maximum base and minimum altitude. So for this, we have to consider that the section plane will pass through base edge AB, and to satisfy the condition of a minimum altitude, so we have to draw a line passing through A dash B dash, and it should be perpendicular to slant edge C, which will satisfy our required condition that will get the altitude of a minimum length when we cut or draw the section line passing through A dash B dash, and it should be at a right angle to the slant edge C dash. Thus we'll get the point C. To finalize the front view, means after the section, upper portion we have to remove and the remaining portion we have to observe. Project the cutting points in top view. The point A, point B and point C are marked in top view. So draw the outline for the sectional top view. The sectional top view we have to draw in a triangle passing through the point A, point B and point C. Draw this hatching line which are inclined at a 45-degree equispace of a uniform thickness and uniform darkness. To control the uniform thickness and darkness, little bit turn lead pencil. Then finalize the top view. Then to draw the true shape of a section, draw the projection line through cutting points and draw reference axis XY parallel to section plane. Now shift the points from top view to draw the true shape of a section. Thus the point A, B are marked, point C is available, and join these 3 points so that we will get the true shape of the section. Draw the hatching lines. Hatching line should be uniform darkness, thickness, equispace parallel to each other. Label this as a TS. Thus in this way our solution is